UK is a home to 5.5 million small and mid-sized businesses. Of these, 1.2 million businesses employ between 1 to 9 people. One of the most common questions that we get asked is, can foreigners purchase a business in the UK? Hi, my name is Hemang Lahiru. I'm a Principal Advisor at Conroy Baker Limited. Anyone from any nationality can purchase a business in the UK. In fact, you don't even have to be a resident in the UK. All that is required is that the company needs to have an address which is based in the UK. Today, we're going to talk about 5 steps to buy a business in the UK. The first stage is to get professional advice. Depending on the nature of the transaction, the value of the purchase, there could be accounting and legal aspects, particularly when it comes to cross-border transactions, that you might want to get advice on. Also, looking at what kind of businesses are available, are there any caveats which are attached to that particular purchase or the sale of the business? A professional advice will go a long way to manage the expectations and to make the whole process as seamless as possible. The next stage is to conduct a due diligence. Once you've identified a business, it's worth to find out the details, the commercials of the business, the prospects, the financial cash flows of the business. All of these factors are critical to understand before you make a decision to purchase a particular business. A good, exhaustive due diligence will set the foundation for your purchase to be a robust and an economical purchase that will add more value as you work along. The third stage is to identify the appropriate visa route. If you're looking at entering the UK with this particular business or with this particular purchase, it's relevant to identify the visa route and the eligibility for that particular visa. The skilled worker visa is the most preferred pathway for somebody looking at entering the UK through this particular route. So once you've done the due diligence, once you've identified the appropriate route, the next stage is to arrange for finance for that particular business. Making sure that you're paying the right value for that particular purchase is an essential step. Once you've done the arrangement for the finance, the next stage could be to make the final offer. The offer is an important part of this whole transaction. If you make a valid offer and it does get accepted, it can then set the scene for the execution of this whole idea of a purchase and enable you to enter the UK. A typical timeline for this process could be as little as 4 weeks, and this would enable that your purchase is seamless, it's effective, and provides the best value for you. If you have any questions regarding the purchase of a business, or if you're considering entering the UK through a purchase that you have made, we would love to hear from you. If there are any specific areas that you'd like for us to provide additional information on, please leave your comments in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.